Hello everyone, I'm Wangyang Xu, an electric motor application engineer at Geehy Semiconductor. Today I'll introduce the APM32F035 low-voltage motor development kit. Here in my hands is the APM32F035 low-voltage general-purpose motor EVAL board, featuring Geehy's first motor control dedicated MCU APM32F035. It uses the ARM Cortex M0 Plus core at a max frequency of 72 MHz. To boost computing capabilities, it includes the M0CP hardware coprocessor, accelerating operations like division, multiply, accumulate, trigonometric functions, and square root calculations. The MCU has an enhanced storage space of 64 KB flash, 10 KB RAM, and a separate 4 KB bootloader. It integrates high-precision ADC, op-amps, comparators, CAN controllers, and more. The operating voltage is 2.0 to 3.6 volt, and the temperature range is -40 degrees Celsius to 105 degrees Celsius. Available in LQFP48 and LQFP32 packages. Key features of APM32F035 low-voltage general-purpose motor EVAL board. Supports 12 to 72 volt DC wide voltage input, 100 watt max power. Reverse connection protection on power input. Motor and sensor interfaces on the right. SCI, SPI, I2C, and CAN on the left. This development board supports BLDC and PMSM motors, as well as single dual resistance current sampling and 3-phase back EMF sampling. Next, we'll demonstrate using the APM32F035 low-voltage motor EVAL board with a sensorless FOC dual resistance drive program for motor control. Before compiling the program, contact Geehy FAE through the Geehy official website or contact the agent's FAE to get the sensorless FOC program for low-voltage motors. After compiling, program it into the low-voltage general-purpose motor EVAL board. 1. Compile the program error-free. 2. Program it to the board and verify successful programming. Connect a synchronous motor. Apply 24 volt DC power and turn it on. Rotate the potentiometer clockwise. The motor accelerates. The oscilloscope shows the phase current waveform. Rotate the potentiometer counterclockwise. The motor decelerates. When it stops, the phase current waveform disappears. That's the Geehy's APM32F035 low-voltage motor development kit. Thank you.